bad thing. To me, though, this one hurts less because you're actively moving.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's not really bad.
No, but it's the rhomboids. And then I don't know if your fingers are there yet to be able to get in behind here, but they got to be close.
Yeah, they're
12, 16 months normally, but you're a little ahead of schedule on how many people you dig into.
Yeah, I can get it pretty good if they're not too jammed up. Oh, shit.
I don't know how much is left in there, really. Oh, yeah, a little bit. Here we go.
Yeah. Man.
I don't think we got to towel much.
No, that was what I needed.